All right, Lily here said that she wants to live in a nicer home. And so what that means is we have to fix up this house in order to sell it. And, oh, you want to shake? You want to shake? And so in order to do that, what are some of the least expensive ways to increase your home value overnight? Yeah, you can say hi to the people. This is our golden doodle, Lily, and she is the best dog ever because she's sweet. So the very first thing you can do, and probably the most important and can be the least cost if you want to do it yourself, is paint and change your color scheme. If you're going to sell your house, you obviously want to do a neutral color. You may have heard that before. And right now, greige is in. Greige is the new gray. It's kind of a in between gray and beige to make a nice neutral color, but it's not so stark as gray when you walk in. The second thing that you can do is landscape your home, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. Like a few bags of black mulch can really spruce up your curb appeal. Also, one thing that you could do is add inexpensive flower pots. Like you don't even have to plant flowers, but just put like a flower pot out front. And even in the backyard, you don't have to do massive updates to your backyard. Just clean it up a bit, right? And maybe put a flower pot out there as well. 3 is you can paint your front door and spruce up the hardware. Now you don't have to buy all new hardware. You can go to Home Depot and just spray paint your hardware on the front door, and it adds an instant elegant look. So what happens is when buyers come to look at your house, the first thing they do is they're waiting on their agent to unlock the door. So they're literally looking around like this, looking at the top of the entryway, the sides, down the flower beds, and things like that. The front door really is the first impression right when you walk in. And so you want to clean off the cobwebs and things like that. And most definitely take down the wasp nests. It's crazy here in Texas because we can show houses and there's a big old wasp nest and it scares. You don't want fear to be the first impression for the buyer. All right, the fourth thing that you can do to increase your home's value overnight is go to Lowe's, Kirkland's, or Home Depot and buy an inexpensive mirror to replace your bathroom mirrors with. Now, if you haven't done this already, get like, you can buy a mirror for under 50 bucks and it be trimmed out. And so if you don't want to do that, you can even go on YouTube and find how to trim your current existing mirrors out. It's really cheap and expensive, but it multiplies your profits when it comes time to sell your home. She's just gonna lay down. She says it's boring on camera. All right. So the fifth thing that you can do to increase your home's value overnight, now this may take a small investment, but this is something I do on every home that I sell, is I invest $300 to $500 in trendy art pieces or artwork or canvas art to place in the home for selling. So what that does is a $300 to $500 investment will multiply both the perceived value of your home, the perceived updates of your home, but it will multiply your profits because there's this perception that your home is updated, even though it's not updated. So if it's updated, great. If your home doesn't have some trendy art pieces, it's still worth the investment to get a few extra things to hang on the wall. Now, this doesn't have to be, you can get a lot for $300 to $500 if you go to like At Home. Again, Kirkland's will have those green tag sales. You can find these pieces on sale on the cheap. You can even find, sometimes I'll find pieces with cracks in the back or something. Nobody will notice that it has a crack in it. We're talking $20, $30, a really nice piece on sale. I can spend $50 to $60 and it'd be worth it because it multiplies the profit, the perceived value of your home. Now listen, I have another resource. It's called Should I Update My Home to Sell It? And you can click on this video to watch that next. And also secret questions to ask a realtor before you hire them, because you guys, it really does take an expert to multiply your profits, and you want to know if they're an expert. So I created another video that will give you some secret questions to ask them so you can know for sure if they're an expert. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful at all, please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Help a fellow creator out and to get more content just like this one.